how to recover Reddit account without email. If you have any kinds of recovery email or phone number already attached to your Reddit account, what you can do is you'd be able to recover your account using that recovery email. You want to simply go to the forgot password section on your Reddit over here. You want to simply tap on login over here. You want to tap on forgot password over here, and here you want to simply apply or type in your recovery email or phone number over there, and by doing so you'd be able to receive a reset password link on your mail. And if you open that mail over there, you'd be able to reset your password and get back to your account. However, if you do not have any kinds of recovery email or phone number attached to your account already, you wouldn't be able to provide information that the account belongs to you, and you wouldn't be able to recover your account as well. However, if you're still looking for any kinds of recovery options, you can simply contact the Reddit support team. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.